Welcome to Module 1.1, which is note taking and organization. So, the objective for today is to develop a note taking style that is organized, clear, and helpful. And you may try one way of taking notes, and then after a while, you just kind of get bored with it or it's not working for you. And so, you may switch to another style of taking notes. The important thing is to grow and learn what works for you. So all notes should be organized. They should follow a logical order. When you go back to review your notes, they should make sense. They need to be clear. You need a title, the date, the topic, highlight main vocabulary words or ideas. They should also be concise, which means short. Don't write everything down in a lecture or a video or a text. When we do handwrite notes, we actually are more concise. Research has shown that when students are given the option of writing notes versus typing them like on a Google Doc, the handwritten notes are more concise. If they're concise, you are thinking about what you're writing and engaging with it. Therefore, you should remember more when you go back to review your notes. They should be structured. You should develop a style that works for you and use it again and again. There are many styles, and I will show you two of them. So, in order to stay organized, make sure you write your notes on loose leaf paper, or in some cases, like for US history, I'm providing you with a paper in your packet to write the notes down. You want to label the module and the date, put your name on the notes, and one binder, one class. Your binder for US history or world history is for this class only. So, style one is a general outline. In a general outline, you would write down the module, Intro to Global Studies or Intro to World History. You may see me use Global Studies and World History interchangeably. And if you go back or think back to our last module, there were four concepts about how the class was going to run. For US history, there were three. First of all, in world history, it's going to be thematic for both classes: blended learning, self paced, and mastery based learning. So I wrote down those basic ideas there. And then I can go back through and put those details in. And again, you can see that I'm not writing everything down from the slide from the last module, just the main ideas, the big ideas. I may elaborate more if it is a something I'm afraid I might forget or something that I don't quite understand. Might want to get more information down about that. There's also mapping. So for module 0.0 or 0.1, we did get to know your neighbors. So, or 1.0, sorry. So again, like I have instructions and like a spoke diagram where I can put down the instructions at the top. And then for classmates, I have to remember something about 5 classmates. So I would write down the names of 5 classmates and write down some detail about them that I find to be interesting or something that's notable. There's also sketchnoting, which is a little bit different. And in this might be known as like a visual graphic, or sometimes they call it mind mapping. So this transforms your ideas into pictures. And if this works for you, it's a great way to learn content. So you're going to practice now taking notes. You're going to choose one of these videos and watch it. You're going to identify main ideas and take notes. Be sure to pause the video, rewind, rewatch, and take the notes down. So there are 3 different videos. One is on Cornell Notes, which is with sketchnoting techniques. Cornell Notes is a specific way of doing notes. It works for some students very well. There's also another take notes on crash course of study skills, and then a third video on how to take great notes. Only pick one. Only take notes on one. And when you're done, come turn in your notes and then take the mastery check. Thank you for watching.